Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we are planning out the week of April 21st through the 27th. So this week I will be using a kit from briannanicoledesignz. It is kit 271. It is this cool little ice cream kit. My husband's birthday is this week and he loves ice cream, so I figured this is perfect. So we have the full boxes, the washi, the date headers, the little quarter boxes, and then the half boxes. And I already did put my scripts on there, so hopefully that will keep us ready to go. And we will just go ahead and start doing this because we have yet another busy week ahead of us. So this weekend we had soccer games. We had 3 soccer games to start the morning, and then I had to go to my home health guy. And then we left and made the 2-hour trek up north, and my daughter had her first her first gymnastics meet. So that was really cool. She kind of messed up on the bars and she kind of had a little cry session, but she got back up there and she did her next event, and I'm so proud of her. She's the youngest one on her team, so that it said a lot about her, and I'm just so proud of her. So after we did that, we drove another hour and a half to Illinois, and then we got a hotel, and we woke up, and then we went swimming, and then we found this cool little arcade place. It almost reminded me of like a Dave & Buster's, but it wasn't a Dave & Buster's. It had like bowling and laser tag and the game that you use with the little cards. So we did that for a couple hours, and then we went to medieval times, which was really neat. I've always wanted to take my kids. Well, I really wanted to take my oldest when he was like 1, because he was really into that stuff, and it never happened. It's really far away and it's expensive. So since we had the whole weekend off, all of us, I was like, let's just do it. So we did it. We had a fun time. So we didn't end up getting back home last night until like 11:30. Kids all slept in the car, but they were still kind of grumpy when they woke up for school today. It is Monday, but it was worth it. It was a good weekend. I'm exhausted. My husband's exhausted, but we made it work. And like I said, you can't put a price on memories. I think the kids just loved it. Okay, let's see where we're at. So Monday, I didn't even get school scripts out. Doing great. Let's start with the work. So my husband was supposed to work today, but they're off all week. So I work Tuesday and Wednesday. So let's put these up there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put these 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5 boxes here. I'm going to put for their school. These little designs on these boxes are so cute. So 1, 2, 3. Oops, let's go there. And I do have, let's see, I just ordered some from Black Dog Sticker Co., so we'll go ahead and use those. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so Monday night we have track, volleyball, and gymnastics. So track, volleyball, and gymnastics. So we'll put this right here. And there. And then I will go to work. There. And then Tuesday we have a volleyball game and then track. So I think he'll be able to go to track because the volleyball game is the schools are right next to each other, and it's actually a home game. So I think we're going to do that. I'm going to just put this big box here, and then I'll go to work after, and he doesn't mind me coming right after, about 8 o'clock. That's fine. And then Wednesday we have a track meet, gymnastics, which the track meet's home. So we'll have volleyball. Let's see. We'll have volleyball. Then my son can just walk over to the to the track because it's right there. And then the track meet. Let's see. It's at 5:30. So go ahead and put this here. And then I'll go to work. So on Tuesday, they're going to have like a practice, like a mock meet, I guess, to like where they're going to time it and everything. So that'll be cool. Oh, crap. We also have gymnastics. I don't know if she'll be able to go to gymnastics. Let's try and get this up. I'll probably rip it. Be very gentle. We have gymnastics on Wednesday. So put that there. And then try to fit that in there. That fits all right. Okay. On to Thursday. So Thursday, my husband actually goes back to work. So he's been off for a while. He's been loving it. As you can imagine, lots of rest days for him. Well, kind of, since we have a whole bunch of sports stuff, but so we'll do that, and then school. Take these two. 1 and 2. And we'll put these school scripts. So today is the day that you can order, if you're an insider, new planners. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I never do. I like Hourly, but I kind of like that the new one that they have out. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, Thursday is, let's see. I think we just have the volleyball game because it is an hour and a half away, so we're all going to go to that. I'm not going to go to my home health guy, so we're all just going to go to that. No track, no anything else. My son does have soccer on Tuesdays and Thursday practices, but I told her that we're not going to be able to get any or be at any practices really, because my son's volleyball games. Now, he could probably go on Tuesday, but he has that practice meet, so my mom could have taken him to that one, and then we would have went to the game, but since it is his practice meet, we just kind of, I'm just gonna let him do that. All right, so it's my husband's birthday on Friday. Let's put this here. And then we have track and volleyball. Actually, I'm going to move this down just a little bit. Rip that paper. Track and volleyball. And then that way I could try to see if I could fit a full box there. Good. Oh, crap. Got it. I have, maybe I do need to put that up because I have my glow, oh goodness, my glow dance night on Friday. There we go. So I will do that, and then, because I always go to his house earlier that night, so I can do this at 8. There we go. And then Saturday is, we have soccer games in the morning, so we have one at 8, 9, and 9:30. And then my daughter has her softball pictures and her first game, but they don't tell us anything. They'll probably tell us tonight, actually, but we don't know yet what time they actually play. And then I work from 2 to 10. This night, so I don't go to my home health guy, and then Sunday I will work from 6 to 6. so, and then go right after to his house. So we have quite a busy week. Let's see what it's kind of looking like. Get all these out of here. I do like that they changed the calendars. Are we in frame here? There we go. That they took out the calendars on the new life planner. So that's really, I always cover it up with a full box, but that is nice that they actually took it out. I can see why some people like it, but I am not one of them. So I think I'm gonna do this one over here. So we're gonna stick that here. And then I will put a this week sticker. My husband's actually grocery shopping for us right now, so that's one less thing. Oops, that's one less thing I have to do. So there's that. And then let's see. Shop. Go up a little. But anyways, I like that new layout, but I think I will miss the full boxes. But I saw someone do like a mock-up of the boxes and they put it like on the side. So that would be kind of cool. I just don't know what I want to do. There's that. I actually might cut this one down because that would be one to cut and fill in that space here. Let's see if we can just rip it. There we go. Perfect. That's cute. I'm going to put this one on this side. And then this one down here. When I first started planning, I was like, I'm never using full boxes. That's so funny. Styles change, that's for sure. And I think I'm going to put this one over here. Cover up these habits. I've still not been wearing my watch, so you know, it's fine. Okay, let's put 6 to 6, 6 to 6. And I think that's pretty much all this week. So like I said, we still have to figure out what time the softball games are and her pictures and just sports on sports on sports. So this kit is from briannanicoledesignz. It's $2.71 if you guys want to pick that up. Her shop is on Etsy. It is going to be May soon, so be on the lookout for my May plan with me. It's probably going to be just as packed, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.